My solidarity with the students of Hyderabad who have been conducting the struggle, taking the struggle ahead. Since the day Rohit Vemula sent a message across the country that all of us have to rise in struggle.
Sir, it was been more than 5 months. These different type of agitations are going on. Even after the professors and all the people are struggling, still how many days these type of things will be going on?
The upper caste aggressors who are responsible for the death of Rohit and subsequently who are responsible for the attacks on the students and teachers, they have been ruling this country for 5,000 years. After all, this is 5 months of a struggle since Rohit sacrificed his life. It is a long drawn struggle. Of course, today or tomorrow it will not be a kind of successful struggle. But ultimately it will be a successful struggle because the roots of the struggle and the struggles that have been initiated today are very strong. So it has taken roots into all the villages and also the cities and towns. The message is very strongly sent. So I think this will be a successful struggle very soon.
ఆత్మతో మనసుతో బాగా ఆలోచించి ఇప్పటికైనా మీరు సీటు దిగండి. దిగితే విద్యార్థి సంఘాలలో కొంచెం
I have been in jail all these 2 years.
When after you went to jail, they suspended you like exactly after your arrest or 48? What did they
After
follow?
48 hours after I was arrested. 48 hours after I was arrested, I was suspended.
But now that you are out on bail, there's no obligation to remove the suspension.
There is an obligation to remove the suspension.
So have they communicated anything or something like that till now?
They know that they have to revoke the suspension. So they have taken a different route not to revoke the suspension.
What is that?
They sent some 15 ABVP goons when I went to college to join. They attacked me and then they said that if he is coming to the campus, there is a law and order problem. So they have prevented my entry into the campus. They passed an order to prevent my entry into the 4 days. They continuously sent the AVP goons to attack me.
When was this?
This was last month.
Last month, after how?
This was April. April last week.
So they're basically saying that when you come, there will be problems in the campus.
Law and order problem. So my entry was, and then an inquiry committee was appointed to look into my revocation of suspension. That is basically to postpone as long as possible to reinstate me.
Give your review it anytime soon now.
There is no role of an inquiry committee in this. The law is very clear. The rules are very clear. Once a person is out on bail, he can go back to the job. So this inquiry committee is basically appointed to delay the reinstatement.
So basically, it is the same kind of system. They are both of them. But here, in this case, they are.
This is not a system they followed. Of course, at least they followed a system when I was arrested. And when I was released, they were not following. But here, when they were arrested and they were in the custody, they were not suspended. The suspension is called, this is a default suspension. According to the central government rules, it's a default suspension. To explain the absence of an employee from his duties, an employee is put under suspension when he is under custody.
Employee suspended in custody is automatically default, suspended by default. After what
It is a default suspension revoked by a competent authority to explain the absence of an employee from his duties or her duties. And when the employee comes back from the custody, he will be reinstated. That is the rules and that is the law of the land in this country. But what is happening here is completely nonsensical. When they were absent, when they were in the custody, there is no explanation given for why they were not attending the duties. It is not the responsibility for the employee to inform you. This is what being blamed upon these two teachers, my colleagues here.
Alright.
How can they inform when they are under custody that we are suspended? They cannot. It is there in the newspapers, it is there in the police who arrested them. It is the responsibility of the police officers to inform that they are under their custody. It is not possible for the employee while being in custody to inform the employer. Now what is alleged against them is that they did not inform us. That's why we could not. It is not the case at all. It is not possible humanly. A person is under custody. So when they were under custody for 7 days, they were not suspended. After 2 months, you showing the technicalities, they are suspended. They cannot show any technicalities to explain this. Why are you suspending them after 2 months? They are no longer in the custody. So, this is, I feel that this is not following the technicalities, but this is an attack on Dalits.
It's an attack on
Dalits.
systematic.
To show their power, the upper caste power on Dalits, this suspension has been invoked. Otherwise, there is no way you can explain this particular suspension after 3 months.
What do you teach, sir, and do you?
I teach literature, English literature.
Presently, bail is how the duration they have given?
The bail is a permanent bail, regular bail from Supreme Court.
Any contact, anywhere can get